Hi, my name is Jim Barnett. I'm with Dream Tree, and Dream Tree is about showing people the truth about the water. There's different waters. There's Soda Pop here, there's Deja Blue, there's Dasani, Penta, Smart Water, and then this unique design that has ceramics that deposit 100 minerals into the water, thereby giving me good alkaline antioxidant water. And that may sound foreign to you, but I'm going to go through a little process here, a little demonstration on what is the difference between acid and alkaline. Alkaline and acid is what your body is made of. We need more alkalinity in the body to get rid of the acid. We're trying all our life to get rid of acid. So as you look at these colors, it's going to show me a color scheme of anywhere from orange, which is 5.0, all the way up to blue, which is 9.0. So we're looking for more alkalinity in the body. You know, it's been proven, Otto Warburg in 1931 proved that in an alkaline, oxygen-rich state, cancer and degenerative disease could not grow. So we're looking for the most alkalinity in the body to give us a healthier body. And your body is 70% water. So remember this scale. We're looking for a bluish color for 9.0, and a 5.0 into the yellow is acidic, into the green is neutral, and then into the blue is what we're looking for with alkalinity. So we're going to test each one of these waters and this soda water and see what it comes out to be. So I'm just going to take a little bit of each one. That, of course, is the 7-Up. Really wouldn't matter what kind of soda it was, but we can see it in a clear soda water. Let's see what the pH level is. So just kind of trying to show you what kind of water do you have in your body. I guess that's what the main, if we are what we eat, then we are what we drink also. So let's just see, you know, I've tested over 400 waters. I just want to show a quick example of what I'm talking about so that you see what kind of water we have on the market out here. By the way, guys, in trying this kind of water, all these different kind of waters, I've only found one with this high antioxidant alkaline value that we're talking about so that you have the right kind of water for the body. Any of these kind of waters, except for this right here, can be poured through this. There's two filters. There's a tablet filter in the top and a stalk filter on the bottom. The ceramic causes the water to absorb minerals and thereby giving me the highest mineral content with antioxidant alkaline value. We'll get to the antioxidant value in a minute. Let's just drop a few drops in here and let's see what color that is. Remember, yellow, orange, green is neutral, the yellow is acidic, okay, we're looking for the dark blue, okay? So I'm just going to take and just stir each one of these up. Let's just see what they have. This is acidic water, it's soda water. This is a yellow, it's acidic. This one is yellow, it's acidic. This one is Penta, it's kind of a green, kind of a neutral. Smart Water is kind of a neutral water. It's not giving us the balance that we need, you know, because we eat and drink a lot of acidic stuff. Sugar and different things, you know, starches, all kinds of different things that we eat, fast food. So what I tell people is, what are you doing to counter and balance the body out? Because the body needs a balance in it to do the right stuff. So what I do is I drink this water. You're 70% water. So concentration has been on 30% of your, like if I have an ache or a pain or something, you know, it's funny, but 30% is what we've concentrated on for many years. What I'm trying to show you is, shouldn't we be concentrating on the 70% that's water? I mean, it just makes more sense. If I have a 100% problem, I need to concentrate on the 70% first and leave the 30% last, instead of concentrating in reverse. So let's just see what happens if I drink the right kind of water. Remember, you can't get any kind of body water except for what you're drinking. And guys, if you're drinking any of this, that's don't even go to tap water, because that's got all kind of chemicals and TDS, total dissolved solids. What is that? Total dissolved solids are when I leave the water in a cup and it evaporates, you notice the white film? Well, that residue is what you're dumping in your body every day. So all of the well water and tap water has TDS, total dissolved solids. Some of it's good and some of it's bad. It just can't distinguish which one you get, so you get it all. So it creates the residue in the body like it does in the cup. All right, so let's just see what happens, though, if I start drinking the right kind of water. See, I can change my body's water into the right kind of water for the body just by drinking the right kind of water. Now, except for one exception, this right here. This right here cannot be changed. So, if you know somebody drinking this right here, this is very acidic for the body. It takes 32 glasses of this water. Now, these won't touch it, but 32 glasses of this kind of water to neutralize one of these. Let me show you what I mean. Let's just take this right here. Nobody drinks this much soda water, right? One capful. And let's see what it does to your body that has the right kind of water over here. Well, guys, I'll tell you what it does. It's a diuretic. It takes all of the water out of the body and gives me really an acidic environment for the body. You know, disease grows in acidity in an acidic environment. So that tells you we don't want that. We want to be more alkaline. This is the way to do it, through a mineral content that's being dispersed through the ceramics. It gives me the highest alkaline water. Now I'm going to go and show you an antioxidant test. So we're just going to pour this out. We're going to try an antioxidant test here to see what kind of antioxidant value this has. Okay, these different waters. Okay. We're not going to do this one. We already know about that one. But let's just try some of these others and let's see what they have for antioxidant value. Okay. And antioxidants fight free radical. If I want a further description of antioxidants, let's talk about antioxidants. Antioxidants, oxidation happens like when you cut an apple and it turns brown. It's aging the apple. It's burning the apple. That's what happens in our cells whenever we drink the wrong kind of water, which we've tested over 400 of these waters. All of them are acidic, and all of them don't have antioxidant. Okay, so let's try this and see, though. I just want to prove this to you. You know, ours is about showing the proof, not just telling you so, but showing you exactly what we mean. Okay, what I'm going to do is take some antioxidant drops, and we're going to drop a few in here, and if it turns a reddish color, it has antioxidant. Guys, there's only one on the table that turned antioxidant, okay, that has antioxidants in it, so that I can fight free radical damage. And it is because the water has been changed into the right kind of water, high alkaline antioxidant water. You want to change your life, drink the right kind of water. The water is your key to existence. It's the foundation of life. Without it, you couldn't live more than a week, 10 days. Now, I can live without food for quite a while. Water, I can't live without. I just can't live without it. Nobody on this planet can. It's vital to our existence. We ask people all the time, what kind of water are you drinking? You know, not much is known about this new technology, but I'm showing it to you today so that you have a chance for you and your family to drink the right kind of water.